comes in from a distance, and you come underneath, and you, same cause and effect pattern, you energize it. And then put the energy as just a slap and amplify it. And when his pressure engages my body and I engage his structure, and then I relax and transform the energy and send the jinn out, there's a cause and an effect. And the transformation is the cause, and the effect is him moving. So there's an energetic pattern that's just formed between us on both ends. If you just keep doing the cause without paying attention to the effect, you're not fulfilling the pattern. So the moment I see that reaction inside him, now it's completed. There's cause and effect. And then I think, is that the effect I wanted? So he comes in, I may want to have a bit more lift in the feet and get that up. So then he comes in from a distance, and you come underneath, and you, same cause and effect pattern, you energize it. Now that's the exercise we just did before. Now what that does, it allows you to tune your mind to the most efficient pattern to get the result and eliminate all wasted energy. So if you're coming in, and we'll go to this point, the wasted energy is me pushing, the wasted energy is me engaging my muscles, having to open the joints. All this other stuff that's not needed is eliminated by now I'm not touching and just getting the energy to move here. And I watch his reaction, what works, what cause creates a better effect. I can't do that when he's got physical pressure on me very well, because my body has to compensate for his pressure, so it's very inefficient. As soon as there's no touch, it becomes highly efficient. Now what we do is we go to the next stage. I take the same feeling as no touch with a lot of pressure, and if you want to catch him, yep. And then put the energy as just a slap and amplify it. And by getting a little bit of a wind happening, a movement, and that's, thank you, Dinesh. You're the only person in the room I want to do that on, because no, you're not going to get hurt. As you increase the amount of release, you're always watching for the cause and effect efficiency. What do you have to change in your generation of energy, your stick to your partner, your awareness of his reaction, and get this cause and effect to amplify every single time to create whatever you want. So whatever pattern you want to generate, you're looking, how do I cause that pattern, and watch the effect of the pattern unfolding and build that quality. So you're going to find that the qualitative side is much more important than the quantitative side. You don't have to have a lot of chi. You have to use the chi you have efficiently. So as soon as you take the bridge off and you're just putting energy onto what works, your efficiency level goes up. So now pay a lot of attention to what you do and how your partner reacts, and then pay attention to just those two qualities, the cause and the effect, and ignore the rest, and then amplify. So let's say when I started swirling the energy, I aligned my body more to air element and encapsulated the air element within him, and the cause and the effect was moving towards air. I didn't choose that when I started the exercise with my partner. All I did is watched what was happening. Oh, he's responding to air more naturally, so I did more air. And he responds better when I run the energy a bit quicker rather than slower, and so forth. So with each partner, you look at the signals they give you, they're giving you information, and you just follow it and your intuitive guidance system makes you better and better and better at it. When you're not touching the person, what's working is very obvious, and what's not working is very obvious. When you got your hands on the person, it's not. It's all hidden. You think, oh, I'm getting this reaction because of your muscles, or a type of structural alignment in your body, and so forth. You can break all the structural alignment rules and all the power generation rules if your mind is on the right frequency. Remember, mind moves chi, chi moves body. Body's the last thing. So it's not generated out of the body, it's generated out of the mind, but you can use your body as a type of amplifier for the life force. But that resonance with your mind to create the right cause for the right effect, that's where the skill is. Now, everyone here has already got this empty force phenomena working, and what did it take? 1 hour? And you've already got it. So now what we want to do is tune that in to make you very efficient at it. Be very sensitive to the cause and effect pattern, and tune the cause to give you the effect. And always pay attention to the effect, because you're energizing both. You're not just energizing a cause, you're energizing an effect simultaneously. There's a deep relationship between the two as a frequency. And if you don't honor that energetic exchange and create a field awareness of the cause and the effect simultaneously, when you feed the energy, you get a less result. So if you just generate the cause and you don't pay attention to the effect, when the energy hits your training partner, they might choose the effect. They might navigate it left to right or somewhere else. That's different to what you want. So that effect is your pattern, and you fuel the pattern precisely. I like to watch what pattern the person wants to fuel themselves, and then I fuel what they choose. That's an easier way, because they have their own patterns and you just energize those patterns.